Hi love, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming by. On today's video we'll be making oha soup with your small money. Yes, small money. This soup is good to go. Student soup, that's the name of this soup. So inside the pot I have dried fish, beef, pomo, and stockfish. I actually added the cocoyam I'll be using for my thickener inside. So at this point I need to check to see if the cocoyam is good to go. And obviously it's not, so I'll have to allow it to cook. I'll come back to check to see how far. And at this point it is good to go. I'll have to remove the cocoyam one after the other and transfer it into mortar. So at this point I'm done removing the cocoyam, and as you can see the water is already small. This water will not be enough to cook the quantity of soup I would want to cook, so I have to add water to the pot. I'll then introduce the dry fish I'll be using, because this dry fish I have to add this at this point because it is a bit hard. Yes, so that's why I added the dried fish now. I'll then cover, allow it to boil, come back to see how far, and at this point it's already boiling. It's time to introduce the next ingredients, which is cocoyam. This is actually the cocoyam I removed previously. I'll have to introduce it back so that it will thicken the soup. At this point, this is crayfish, and then palm oil will follow suit. It's time to add local bean, also known as obri okpe. This is local season, so I'll be introducing it into the soup. At this time I added Cameroon pepper. This pepper can be very pepperish, but you can actually add any pepper of your choice. So after adding, allow it to boil very well. I will stir to see if the thickness of the soup is good to go, but I had to allow it to thicken the more. So it's time to add oha leaf. This is so called oha leaf. So I've introduced it. So I'll have to add smoked fish. Yeah, I added this fish now because the fish is already smoked and very soft, so it should come last, just like I did. So at this point I will allow it to boil a bit, though I added salt and a cube of seasoning. After adding it, I'll have to stir and get my swallow ready. Let me seize this opportunity to thank all my new and old subscribers. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And to you contemplate whether to subscribe or not, do well and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you're notified each time we upload a new video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. God bless you. So at this point I will just allow it to boil for 3 minutes and it's good to go. So start getting all your plates ready, because it's about to go down. This soup was made with just small money, but the taste there, this just took me back to university days, when you just manage a lot of things to put something on the table. So this is it. This is the outcome. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all.